Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study last minute. First, quickly assess how much time you have left and the amount of material to cover. Next, prioritize the most important topics and concepts that are likely to appear on your test. Don't try to learn everything. Focus on high-yield information. Finally, gather all your notes, textbooks, and any other study aids you'll need. Being organized saves valuable time when you're under pressure. To make the most of your limited time, engage in active learning. Instead of passively rereading, use active recall by quizzing yourself on key terms and ideas. Try to explain complex concepts aloud in your own words, as if teaching someone else. This truly solidifies your understanding. If available, work through practice questions or examples to familiarize yourself with the format and types of problems you might encounter. This approach is far more effective than just highlighting. Even when studying last minute, optimizing your memory and focus is crucial. Take short, frequent breaks, perhaps 5 to 10 minutes every hour, to prevent burnout and refresh your mind. Ensure you stay well hydrated and opt for light, healthy snacks over sugary treats to maintain steady energy levels. If at all possible, aim for at least 6 hours of sleep before your test. Rest allows your brain to consolidate information, making recall much easier. As your test approaches, focus on a final review of your summaries and key takeaways. Don't introduce new material, reinforce what you've already studied. Take a moment to visualize yourself successfully completing the test, which can help manage any last-minute anxiety. Remember to breathe deeply and stay calm. You've put in the effort, and now it's time to show what you know. Also, for a fresh car and other great deals, check the description below for links.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.